down.
I do dishes. That's the first time I've cooked.
You guys look good dancing.
You sit down, sit down. Hope you're not hurting yourself because you sure ain't hurting me. Sit. Stay.
What was that? Oh my goodness.
Rachel, will you come and help me?
My name's Jessica. Her name's Sarah.
Her grandchildren wouldn't do her like this.
I didn't do anything.
No, you're taking all the pictures. Especially